Good afternoon, everyone. Um,
Good afternoon, sir.
how are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
How was your report sheet? How was it?
I
Yes, Rabi. Again?
it was fine, sir. But I couldn't find everything. It
How
was
about
fine, sir, but I didn't
you didn't?
feel everything.
Okay. Did you send it in the LMS?
Yes.
Okay. How about
Oh wait. Um,
EM?
oh no.
Sure.
How was your report sheet?
I'm still doing it, sure.
Are you still doing it? Okay.
Yes, sure.
Is Kurt
Excuse
online?
me, sir. Um, Sir, from what I remember, sir, I actually got to fill in everything. Just the last one is really short.
I will check it on your output. Okay. So others didn't actually pass yet? Okay. So after this, I will give you a chance to, continue with your report sheet. But I still need to give you an overview of what will be happening this December 18, your second periodical test. Okay? Your second periodical test covers the topics um, faults and earthquake and typhoons. Okay? Those are the three topics. Under those are subtopics. Okay? Remember that these topics has a lot of subtopics and you need to consider all those subtopics. Right? Aside from that, I will give you the number of items. Your second periodical test is, give me a second, is a 50 item test. This is a 50 items test. And test 1A is a multiple choice. Test 1B is identification. Test 2A is comparing and contrasting. You know already comparing and contrasting, right? You need to give the difference between the two concepts and what are the common in the two concepts. Okay. Test 2B is essential questions. So this is in essay format, right? And again, this is worth 50 points all in all. Do you have any question with the previous topics?
No, sir.
Okay. Questions with the previous topics? Questions with your activity? Since
No, sir.
we are now towards the end of the second quarter. As you can observe, we only
None.
cater 2 modules in this quarter. Why? Because I am still considering you. That your activities, your outputs, the number of points, those are my consideration. Now again, your grades will be based on your outputs. If I cannot see your output there, then I cannot give you grade. Of course. Again, what I want you to do now, since you need to continue doing your activity, your report sheet. After doing your report sheet, please do a self-review with the topics. Okay? Faults and earthquakes, and typhoons. Am I making that clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So I will be opening your activity again in order for you to continue your activity. Okay. Today is December 15. December 15 and 1. Okay, so your activity now is already open. Hopefully, you can give me a brilliant answers. I'm expecting a lot from you, and this will be graded accordingly, right? If you sent, if you think that the one you sent is lacking, you can always replace it with a new, right? Just let me know, okay? Am I making that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will be ending this Zoom meeting in order for you to continue with your activity. And hopefully, for the last time around that I will open this activity, I can get brilliant answers from you guys, right? Okay, I still have 4 students here. Okay, so you are all 4, right? In the online class, correct?
We're supposed to be 6, sir.
Supposed to be 6. How about others?
Sometimes, not all of us join.
Right. Okay. So again, I think that will be all for today. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your cooperation. Please continue doing your activity, your report sheet, and expecting an output after this. Right? Thank you, and have a nice day. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.